Of course, here we're all looking for the weather every day. Will it rain? Will it not? What are we going to see in our communities? What are we seeing tonight?
Well, this is the time of year we don't have any fronts coming through. So it's just all about that summertime pattern. That front that came through West Virginia stalled up there, still dealing with a tornado warning in Charleston, West Virginia right now. So severe weather is going to stay up to the north for us. Things getting a little quiet as we go throughout this week compared to our last 2 weeks where we had a couple of days, actually both weeks, where we received 3 to 5 inches of rain. Not going to be the case for us, though, as we go throughout this week. Take a look out over Clearwater, Tampa. Both of them combined. 91 in Tampa feels like 99. 88 in Clearwater feels like 93. So, of course, it feels much better closer to the coast with that nice cool breeze off of the water. Now, look at your satellite radar. It doesn't really show much at all. Again, compared to what is normal for this time of year, this is quiet, and this is really what we're going to be experiencing for much of this week. We'll see some ups and downs in that rainfall potential, but not really a lot going on. And you can see down to the south, not much. And up to the north, there's a special weather statement south of Jacksonville, just some breezy storms up there. But again, no severe weather for us. Now look at our expected rain chances actually going down even more for tomorrow, slowly going back a little up into Thursday and then back down again as we go into the start of the weekend. So your future cast for the rest of the evening, again, not a lot of activity. Could see maybe a stray shower storm going throughout the evening and into the overnight. For tomorrow, as you can see, not a lot of activity there early either. But late in the evening, could see something developing going through. And then on Wednesday, the rain chances do go up just a little bit as we go throughout your afternoon, evening. And then Thursday, they go up just a tad bit more. Thursday getting back a little bit closer to that norm, but again, just not going to see much. So here's your moisture content. This is what's in the mid levels of the atmosphere. You see it going up Wednesday, Thursday. And what you see here on Friday is actually Thursday night to early Friday morning. Takes a dip for the weekend and look at much of next week. Again, could be relatively dry. This is one of the reasons that Saharan dust in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere gives us pretty sunrises and sunsets. But you see it does kind of shift over to the west as we go Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But look what happens next week as we get another surge of dust coming in to keep us relatively dry. Then after that, we have the potential to be normal or maybe slightly above. So we get back to that rainy pattern once we get that dust out of here. So high temperatures are going to be hot, low to mid 90s for the extended forecast. But again, it's about what it all feels like. 99 to 102 is what we're going to be experiencing as we go all the way throughout next week. Look a little hotter for next week. So for tonight, partly cloudy, a little quieter. We're going to be about 78, but again, small chance for maybe a stray shower moving through. And same thing for tomorrow. 94 feels like 100 to 104. Again, got some areas out in there feeling like 108, so it's going to be hot and humid. Your marine forecast, not too bad. There is a moderate chop in the bay tomorrow. Winds will be out of the south and shifting to the southwest, about 10 to 15 knots. These are at 2 feet as well. And again, that 7-day forecast does show the official first day of summer there on Friday with those rain chances going up. Tomorrow, Wednesday to Thursday, and then back down Friday into Saturday. Does look like we have the potential for a few afternoon, evening thunderstorms almost every day this week. But again, looks like this pattern, even going into next week, looks relatively dry compared to normal.